Today, we're gonna take...
Oh my God, you like this shit?
We're gonna
just wash.
Forget it.
And we're gonna put it with some Fresca.
He's not drunk yet. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Derek and Dan are gonna make for you the Sunnybrea Palermo. I'm confused on the Sunnybrea Palermo.
Sunnybrea Palermo.
So this was a submission from Ryan Hooper, and Ryan I think created this, or
it's only an ounce of tequila.
A Palermo. We can do two.
Yeah, that's not enough tequila for me.
All right, so
it's not even worth drinking.
Let's do this. I'm not going to change the recipe until we try it.
Okay.
All right, here's the recipe.
Okay.
I'll break it down. Ready? It's 1 ounce of tequila, 3/4 ounce of lime juice, and 6 ounces of Fresca.
I'll put 1.5 in.
You need more tequila than
right?
That is dumb.
Her face was just like...
I'm shaking.
I'm sorry, Ryan.
Oh, no, built-in glass.
Oh.
Not this glass.
No, don't do that, yeah. So you're going to build it in the glass. Yeah, you probably want to put ice there, especially with my Fresca. I'm going to go through my list. I'm going to break it down.
Did you do 2 or 1 ounces?
I did 2. So
here's the deal. You're going to click on the bell icon. You're going to subscribe to the show. There's a little subscribe thing that reminds you if you are not a subscriber today, because Daddy needs views. And now you'll get them in your mailbox all the time saying, hey, Derek put out new videos. It's Thursday. You should be drinking right now. So that's what you're going to do. Thursday, 7 p.m. Eastern time is when the videos go out. So you'll be ready. Secondly, if this is good, I'll put it on recipe.awesomedrinks.com where you can get all the recipes that I curate that I believe are the best of the industry, and most aren't made by us specifically, but I collect them.
Then you don't have to think about what you're going to drink.
When I go to Dan's house, I use that damn thing. When I'm here, I use that damn thing because it makes it easier for me. I only want to drink drinks I know are good. So why wouldn't you guys? So we're using Casamigos Reposado specifically so it's a conversation piece. So Clooney sold the brand.
Ounces. That's 6 ounces.
Fresca, huh?
Yeah,
not
it's Fresca.
Grapefruit soda?
Right. Fresca's a grapefruit soda.
Yes.
It's a flavored grapefruit soda, right? Yeah, flavored soda. Sparkling. What are you looking for? You are so confused right now. What's wrong?
Spoon.
We use the San Pellegrino.
San Pellegrino would be good too. Here you go.
But that's
That's grapefruit. We use grapefruit.
No, I know, but that's it's not a...
Casamigos with Texas Welder.
Yes, it is. It's a Palermo with a grapefruit Fresca. San Pellegrino.
How is that?
Yeah.
I just got stuff all over the place.
You're not done getting stuff all over the place. Texas Welder, I think was his name, said Casamigos is also a gay bar in Mexico. Somebody needs to write a comment below and confirm or deny that. I don't think that's what...
And if you do, we won't think any less of you.
No. So the reason I wanted to use this, you know what? I'm going to tease it. We'll figure that out after we taste it. Because a lot of people are about to leave the episode because we're going to taste it, and they're like, I'm good.
Yeah.
So I don't want any more of you little bitches telling me, oh, you talk too long, blah, blah, blah. I don't fucking care about your problems, right?
She talks a lot sometimes, but it's good. It's informative.
Who talks?
It's why you come for the show.
Derek. It's not untrue.
2 ounces is good. I like the 2 ounces. Why does it have like a butterscotch flavor?
It does.
Is it this?
What is that?
It must be the reposado with the grapefruit.
Yeah.
Steven's bag.
Here's your missing $12.
Nice.
So Steven in the live stream has just donated all the money for the videos that I won't make money on this month. No, I drink this all the time.
Fresca doesn't taste like... Fresca's good.
Hold on. I got it.
Give me.
Put them both in your mouth.
Give me that.
And then high five. I mean, you can swallow before you high five.
It's that combination, I think.
Oh, it's that.
Yeah? Oh, that hurt my ears.
Hold on.
That's a good snack. So, spicy tequila and I'm going to say that this is really good stuff on it. I'm going to say that this caramel or butterscotch undercurrent is probably just because of the tequila. So your tequila may change. Maybe it's a reposado thing. Maybe it's, I don't know. It's kind of interesting. But.
Oh, it's definitely that. It's got like a butterscotch aftertaste to it.
There are some that do.
You should be using Blanco with that.
Why?
No, but añejo usually doesn't have, like, it's got a... I don't think I've had this before.
Look.
Give me the añejo.
Oh, you want the añejo?
No.
Do what Jalitha just said. We can make 2, right?
Oh. I'm not drinking this.
Oh, you can drink it if you want to.
You're supposed to drink it.
I like how that was your go-to solution. Like I must.
So if anybody's gonna leave, it's a good drink.
Right? Yeah, it's a good drink.
It just has like a butterscotch. Okay.
Little douches. You can quit now, if you're quitters.
Well, what makes that? Tell your listeners.
So thank you.
Yeah, you talk. I'll make this one.
The Casamigos. I got a comment the other day. I don't remember who it was. On a Casamigos review I did. Fucking ancient times, like back up in the attic. It was what 7, 8 years ago, and I don't know what I said in the video, but his comment was, "That's fucking shit because they use a diffuser." So I was like, "Okay, I've heard of this before. Let's go see exactly what does that mean in terms of like how shitty would it be using a diffuser?" So a diffuser is a large device that rapidly pulls the sugar out of the agave, and I don't know if it's a boiling technique or what the technique is that they use. I don't care, because it's not the purpose of the comment, but it rapidly pulls it out quicker than doing a standard cook that they would do to extract the sugars from the agave that you then ferment. So by doing this, they reduce the time. And by reducing the time, the overall cost. Then what happens is that diffusion process makes it taste more like a vodka-like taste, like a vodka of tequila. So they use artificial flavoring that tastes like agave, like an agave drop or whatever essence, to get back what was taken out from the speed. So I don't know if you could taste test the difference between a diffused product and a non-diffused product.
I don't know.
But the reason that's important to me is this is a fucking expensive bottle of tequila. And if you're going to spend, and I don't know if it's a diffused product.
What tastes better, Dan?
What happened?
Oh, this one tastes better. It's the tequila. It just doesn't. It's got a flavor.
It's the Casamigos.
I mean, I think if you like the Casamigos tequila,
yeah, but it has that
it has that caramel butterscotch.
That might be the diffuser that this guy is saying they use. I'm not here to say that's what they use. I don't know, but some people have looked at noms like this, found other products that distillery makes. Either go to the distillery and see the diffuser and go, why do you have that if you're not using it? Is it just a showpiece? Right, so they probably use it at that distillery. Yeah. So if you find that distillery has one, and the 7 other products they have one, and this came from that distillery, 1 + 1 = apples.
Yeah.
So I would say pass on this if you don't like the caramel notes.
Yeah, no. But wait a minute. Is a Palermo the same thing as
Palermo and a Paloma are different.
Paloma. See a Paloma. Yeah, Paloma's different.
Paloma's grapefruit soda and
well, a Palermo I think has blood orange soda or something. I don't know. That's why this one's got the name in front of it because Ryan invented it or whatnot.
Oh, okay. It's pretty much a Paloma.
That's what a Paloma is.
I've never. Do we use Fresca for our Paloma?
No, we use grapefruit. Yeah.
Yeah, and I don't know what the ratios are. We make. The
thing
is, the way we make Palomas is you just
too?
take 2 things, put them together.
I don't like Fresca.
Oh, I like Fresca.
Yeah, so you might like these.
Because it has a diety flavor to it?
But I don't like. Yeah, I don't like Fresca.
You like San Pellegrino?
No, San Pellegrino is a good product. Is that the? It's not. It's called Pamplemousse, right? Huh? The San Pellegrino. Do they call it Pamplemousse?
No, that's Perrier.
Q? Oh, Perrier. Yeah, never mind. Pamplemousse is another one you can get. That just means grapefruit.
You don't want a pamplemousse.
Like that. Oh yeah, that's not what we're doing here.
Wrong show.
The executive producer, I don't remember if I said it, is David Ruggieri. He's been a supporter for 3 years. I appreciate the support. Then there's people in the live stream like Steven who donate and offset the cost of me changing from 2 shows a week to 1 show a week. So he's covered us for the month, but that doesn't mean you can't donate as well. You can always go to patreon.com/CMC and become a supporter of the show. That, my friends, I think we've beat this down. If you don't know how to make this by now, I don't know what to tell you.
Yeah,
you can
easy.
Make your own decision on the Casamigos brand, spend a lot of money for that, and do research into diffusion if you care.
If you like caramel flavor in your tequila, go nuts.
Go nuts. Speaking of nuts, there's videos over here. It's got these 2 nuts in them, most likely.
Exactly.
And down below, you can go to awesomedrinks.com and get our bartender starter kit using the coupon code that came up earlier. That's June 18 until the July 7th. We're good.
Drink.
We'll teach you how to drink.